Hello everyone, here I am going to solve 2019 CSAT question number 59 from question paper series A. Which year has the same calendar as that of 2009? Here we have four options. So before doing this question, we need to know what is mean by normal year and what is mean by leap year. A normal year has 365 days, whereas a leap year has 366 days because in its February there are 29 days. Then how we know whether a given year is leap year or not? If a given year is exactly divisible by 4, then that will be a leap year. Here I took one example, 2016. 2016 divided by 4, we get 404, which is, that means 2016 is exactly divisible by 4. So 2016 is a leap year. Whereas 2009, while dividing with 4, we get remainder as 1. So it is a normal year. So 2016 is a leap year, 2009 is a normal year. Leap year has 366 days and normal year has 365 days. Therefore, these two calendars will not be same. So we can rule out option C as our answer because this is a leap year. Then 2018, 17, 16, these are normal years. We know 2004, it is exactly divisible by 4, then 8, 12, 2016, 2020, 2024, all these are exactly divisible by 4. Therefore, all these years are leap years and all other years are normal years. Now let us find which among these three options is our answer, has the same calendar as that of 2009. For that, consider January 1st. First, 2009 as Monday. Then, in a normal year, as years advance by 1 year, days will advance by 1 day. That means here 2009 is a normal year. In 2010, January 1st will be, days will advance by 1 day. It will be Tuesday. Similarly, 2016, it is a leap year. Suppose January 1st is Monday. Then 2017, January 1st will be advanced by 2 days and it will be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. This thing you should remember for solving this question. So, which among these three calendars have the same January 1st as Monday, that will be our answer. So, 2010 is January 1st is Tuesday. Then 2011, January 1st will be, 2010 is a normal year, so the days will advance by 1 more day. Then it will be Wednesday. 2012 will be, 11 is a normal year, so it will be Thursday. Then 13, 12 is a leap year. Therefore, 2013, days will advance by 2 days. January 1st will be Friday, Saturday, advance by 2 days. Then 2014, it will be Sunday. 15, it will be Monday. in 2015, January 1st will be Monday. That means it has a calendar same as that of 2009. Our answer is option D, 2015. 15. If you have any suggestions, please do comment. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Keep supporting and loving us. Jai Hind.